Welcome back to our graphing series with Rachel Rosen Educational Services. Last time we made sure that we had a perfect scale for our graph, and now this time we're going to take our data and put it onto the graph. You're going to need two colors here because we have two different sets of data that we're going to put onto this same graph. If you don't have two different colors, then you can either use two different patterns, like a star for one and a dot for the other, or a dotted line and a dashed line, and a solid line, whatever, just so you can tell the difference between the two. But I'm going to use two different colors because I have them. All right, so we're going to first start with putting our data for Forest A. Okay. So here it says age of trees in years and Forest A. So we have a 10-year-old tree, which we have here. And the thickness of the annual rings for that is 20. So we find here, this is 18, 19, 20 here. So we're going to meet up in the middle and put a dot here. Remember, we're making a scatter plot, so we're putting a dot at each point. All right, then at 20, there's 20, it is a 24 millimeter, so 24 is here, 20 is here, and put our dot there. At 30, it's also 30, so 30 here and 30 here. .35, it's 34. So we have 34 here. You're just going to go a little bit. If this is 34 and this is 36, right? So we're going to go about halfway between those two. And then for 35, and then we have exactly 34 here. And then 50 and 41. 50 is here. There's 42, so we're going to go just slightly below it, but halfway between the marking for 40 and 42. Here. Oh, sorry, moved that a little bit over. I went to the wrong line. This is 50. There we go. And then 60 and 46. So 60 is our very last line, and 46 is here. All right, so that gives us our first set of data complete. Now, anywhere that there is an open space in the field of the graph, we can make our key. So we're going to make a little blue square and say that that blue square is equal to Forest A. That lets our reader know what the different colors stand for. All right, beautiful. And then we're going to switch colors and do Forest B. So we're going to move this over just a little bit. All right, so here at 10 years, Forest B has a thickness of rings of 24 millimeters. So 10, and then this is 22, so this is 24. We make our mark there. At 20, it's 20. At 20, it's 28. This is 26. This is 28. At 30, it's 35. So here's 30, here's 34. So 35 is here. At 35 years, it's 38 millimeters. So 35 is here, and then 36 here. So this guy, sorry, 38 is here. At 50, it's 45. And at 60, it's 51. All right, so then we add to our key that light blue is Forest B. All right. Then